Hi, my name is Steve. I live in Central Kentucky, and this is the story of my experience with Stellar Data Recovery Professional for the Mac. This was my wife's hard drive. She had about 10 years worth of work stored on it. I know as hard drives go, that's way beyond the range of what I'd call reliable, but there you go. Sure enough, I heard a cry from the other room one night.
Steve, I need your help.
She told me that her laptop was not mounting the drive anymore. She couldn't see any of her files and she needed help. So I tried all the traditional troubleshooting tricks. I swapped out a different USB cable. I tried to boot it up on my computer. I used the Mac's disk utility program to try to rescue the drive, but it wasn't even seeing the hard drive. It wasn't even mounting it on the desktop. So I tried even taking it out of its little enclosure like you see here, and used a dock to try to boot it that way, all to no avail. So I did a search online and I found Stellar Data Recovery Professional for the Mac. I thought, well, for the price, it's not very expensive and it's definitely worth it considering the amount of data on this drive. If I can recover just a little bit of it, it'll be worth it. So I purchased it and downloaded it and ran the program. I waited for a while, and it's important to know you will be waiting a little while this program does its magic, but it worked. I don't know how it worked, but eventually it found all of the files on this hard drive. Not only that, it categorized them and sorted them by date, so we could go through and tell the program what we wanted to save and what we didn't really need. It let us transfer the files to a new hard drive. She got everything back that she needed, and she was elated. So thank you very much, Stellar Data Recovery Professional for Mac. It was a miracle. For anyone with an aging hard drive, especially with valuable files on it, I highly recommend Stellar Data Recovery Professional for the Mac. You're paying for incredible technology and ease of use, but most importantly, peace of mind.